Well guys, moving towards a new place to explore something new. So do watch the video about the place down the description box please. Bye bye. So I'm moving over a new place and we'll get there in half an hour, something like that. And yeah, the thunderstorm is going on and the rain is also falling over. So I'm just traveling to get over the place. See you there. Bye bye.
We got babies up on the dance floor. Got hanging up on my styrofoam, getting many hoes in my iPhone. We feeling so messed up, they'll be getting twisted and
Okay, so fun moving in a rain train, something like that, rain train. So my phone is wet, fully wet. You can't see over here, but I can see. We'll reach over in 5 minutes more, and this is just awesome, yeah. Just watch it. The view is just awesome. I don't know what type of sound is coming over in my mic, but I can't help. So rain has just started falling heavily now. Let me show you from my back camera. Just a second. I've reached the place, but the thing is that some bad news. Due to heavy rains, the auto has been cancelled to go to the place, and I'm just continuing this video in my next part. That is, I'm releasing that on Monday or Tuesday. I will go there, that place on Sunday might be, and I'm going to release the next video on Tuesday, might be Monday or Tuesday. That's it. So I have to go back home now. आज ही बारिश को आना था. चलो ठीक है. फिलहाल कुछ मिला तो नहीं, पर बारिश में चाय मिल गई. लेते हैं थोड़ा नेचर का मज़ा चाय के साथ. चलो, एंजॉय द वीडियो. बाय बाय.